Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a convection fan blade in your double wall oven, be sure to shut off the power to the oven junction box. For easier access to the rear of the oven, we recommend removing the appropriate oven door. Fully open the door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Remove any racks that are in the way. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the convection fan cover. Pull the cover up to detach. Use a 1/2-inch socket to rotate the fan blade locking nut clockwise to loosen, then unthread the nut and remove the old blade. Install the new convection fan blade by aligning it on the motor shaft. Then thread the locking nut on counterclockwise and tighten. Replace the cover by inserting the tabs into the rear panel slots. Then lift the cover up and rethread the screws to secure. Replace any oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the double wall oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.